So you've taken delivery of your new Bodans campervans, and we're here today to shoot a number of how-to videos to show you how each element of the campervan works. In this particular video, we're going to show you how to raise the elevating roof, the roof bed, and then we're going to put the roof bed down and then the elevating roof back down and strap it up. Okay, so this is typically how you'd arrive on site from your journey. The roof's strapped down, the bed's down, and we've just arrived on site. So the first thing to do is you must ensure that the door is open, because basically what we need to do is when this roof goes up, we need to draw air in to enable the roof to go up. Okay, so we pull out the tails of these straps, we push the cam buckle to open it, and then we pull the tail out completely. Same on this side, open the cam, pull the tail through. Okay, so door open, nice gentle push on the velour underside of the roof, and up it goes. Right, the next stage is to put the roof bed up so that we can move around nice and easily in the campervan. This is what we call a bifold roof bed, so don't push just from the front there, because you'll run risk of snapping the wood by the hinge. So you go under the bed, and in the hinged area, push, and up goes the roof bed. So now you can stand up in the van and move around comfortably. It's worth noting that the last job before you leave site is to turn the seat around, because as you pull the roof down, which you're going to see in a minute, that will give you an opportunity to park yourself somewhere while you adjust the canvas. Now, in most cases, in a Reimo roof, in the canvas, you have a clear window at the front here and mosquito nets on both sides. So this is showing how it is when it's zipped up, and this is showing you to the mosquito net. You can also unzip the mosquito net so that you can have clear air. Okay, so before we put the roof down, we must put these flaps back up. So again, grab the zip. There's a zip at each end of each flap. Usually good practice to leave them in the same place so you know where to look for them next time. And we move round to the window on the front, like so. Okay. So put the swan neck light down to flat if your camper's got one in, and turn it off. So the next operation again is to pull the roof bed down, like so. Now with the roof operation, either putting it up or putting it down, you must have the doors open, because we need to shift the air from up there outwards when it's coming down, and conversely when we're putting the roof up, we need to draw in air that will help pull up the roof. Okay, so the next operation, now the roof bed's down, is we grab the two grab handles in the roof here and pull it down to a point where it's not wanting to go up and down on its own anymore, like it is now. And also good practice is, if you've got a swivel seat, either a single or a double, leave it swiveled and do that as your last job, because as you can see, it gives me somewhere nice and convenient that I can sit down and adjust the canvas. So what I'm going to do now is pull this canvas in on both sides. The key thing is to pull it away from the scissor hinges on the rear of the vehicle. The new Reimo canvases are very good. They have an elasticated gusset sewn into the canvas, so they do actually give you a great lot of assistance pulling it in. But the last bit now is to adjust yourself around and pull in the front canvas like so. Make sure you don't roll up the straps. So you start rolling the canvas into the void and then just let it drop like so. Just tuck the sides in into the void again. Now, for strapping up purposes, this is a Reimo strap that comes with the roofs as standard. So you keep the writing away from you. So that ensures that you've got no twists in the strap. You go down through the bottom lashing point. You push the cam buckle to open up the gap. You take the point and you go through the back of the cam buckle take up the slack, and then when it's nearly tight, just let go. A good hearty pull, like so, and then just tuck the excess into the void. Same for this side, right in away from you, down through the lashing point, open the cam buckle, in through the back, take up the slack, nice hearty pull, and tuck the tail in. So that's bringing the Reimo roof down, so ready to drive. Obviously it goes without saying, never ever drive off without doing these up first. And that is how to lower your Reimo elevating roof.